A good set of floor mats does more than keep the inside of your vehicle looking great. Besides shielding your carpet from stains and wear, floor mats keep rainwater and slush from seeping down to your floor pan, protecting it from rust. There are a few options to choose from, but don't worry, you got this. Floor mats come in 3 basic types. Universal mats are designed to fit just about any vehicle on the road, regardless of make or model. They're durable, affordable, and readily available. Semi-custom mats offer a closer fit at a slightly higher price. Like universal mats, they're designed to work with most vehicles, but can be trimmed to match specific contours. Custom liners offer the closest fit at the highest price point. Designed for select makes and models, these fitted laser-measured mats conform to the unique shape of the footwell, protecting the carpeting from stains, road salt, and debris. Before you shop for custom liners, take note of your vehicle's make, model, and model year. Other details like seat type and flooring type and your vehicle's sub-model number may also be necessary. This information will help you determine which custom liners will work best for you. Custom liners are often sold as complete kits, but some are available as front or back-only sets. First, detach your existing mats from floor-mounted hooks or retention devices and remove them from your vehicle. Ensure the floor is clean and free of debris or obstacles. Next, install the driver's side floor liner. The liner should align smoothly with the contours of your vehicle's floor and is held in place by retention posts. With the driver's side liner in place, fully depress the brake, accelerator, and clutch pedals to ensure that they can operate smoothly and safely. If they do, secure the liner in place and depress the pedals again, just to be sure. Once the driver's side liner is secure, repeat the process with the passenger and rear liners. Most car mats and liners are made of PVC, TPE, or TPO and are easy to clean. Detach and remove them from the vehicle, hose them down, leave them to dry, and reinstall. For deeper cleans, use specialized mat cleaning solutions and brushes to scrub the grooves and channels thoroughly. Silicone-based cleaners may damage some mats, so be sure to check before you clean. With your new mats or liners in place, your pedals clear of obstacles, and your vehicle's interior looking great, you're all set to get back out on the road. Drive safe, and don't worry, you got this.